Do you remember this movie that Kirk Douglas was in?
Yeah. Ghost in the Darkness.
Yeah. So come to find out, that's a true story. One of the lions, he had an injury. He had hurt his jaw, his tooth or something, like a real bad.
Like a bullet hole?
No, he just like biting something big and broke a tooth. And so that's why he was hunting humans, because it's like eating cotton candy as opposed to that.
Right,
but
eating a rhino.
The other one was fine, but I guess that was like, all right, man, you on this special diet, I'm on it with you, son. You know what I'm saying? Let's go get these motherfuckers.